What's happening? What the business EIN? It's your boy Uncle Tick.
Yo, King Marco in the motherfucking building. Here to give y'all boys some game. Now, it's Sunday night. And for all you motherfuckers out there that got some money to spend on the stock market and you looking for a new player to get in, I suggest you look at the bottom of that motherfucking screen and choose one of them picks right there. Okay? GRNQ, that might run. It's 95 cents. Okay? Hood, $46. They had bad news last week and still didn't go down. You know what I'm saying? Hood might squeeze. I'm thinking it might squeeze. MAT at 413. Look like he got room to grow. Might go to 6, might go to 7. If you're scared, you know what I'm saying? If you got some money right now, there go your plays right there. Now we're gonna get into a few things tonight. We're gonna talk about AMC. And everybody think it's gonna squeeze tomorrow. I hope you guys don't think it's gonna squeeze tomorrow, because it's gonna be another letdown, I think. I think it's gonna be a real letdown tomorrow. Okay. I hate to tell you. You might get one more pop. You might get one more. And after that, it's a wrap.
I think the pop post should be tomorrow, cuz.
Okay, if that motherfucker don't come, man, what's gonna happen if it don't come tomorrow? Okay, because normally pops don't really happen. Pops don't really happen when everybody expects it.
On schedule, yeah, on schedule. Okay, they don't.
Let's just be real here. Okay, a lot of times when people make a lot of money in the stock market off of a stock, they wake up to that shit like, damn, that motherfucker up $40 a day. You know, like support. You know, which we, you know, if you was on this channel, you'd have saw this motherfucker at $8. You know what I'm saying? You would have saw that shit a couple weeks ago. You know what I'm saying? But it's now 26. It's $26 right now. $27. Okay, it was 59. So if you was on this channel, you know what I'm saying, a couple weeks ago, you would have saw support at $8. Now it's at 26.
A week ago, last week, a week ago.
It was a week ago?
Yeah.
Okay. You saw this motherfucker at $8. Okay. Now, I don't see support ran, and nobody expected that motherfucker to be up no 20 motherfucking dollars. They saw that motherfucker, it was already up, and then that.
Somebody opened a can over where you was at.
Yeah.
I was about to say, boy, it was full fucking money in the house. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker was up $20-something. Well, nobody expecting that bitch to be up no 20 motherfucking dollars the next day. Shit. Everybody expecting AMC to bust tomorrow. Well, what do y'all think it's gonna bust to? Where's it gonna bust to? Tell me where it's gonna bust.
Mm-hmm.
I want to
know. I think it's supposed to do the go off. I'm believing. I'm not sure.
The go off.
We gonna fire up Homeboy video in a minute.
Okay. Well, hell, I guess it's good timing. I guess if that motherfucker do bust tomorrow, I will get my hopes up. Personally, I think it's another smoke screen again, because it's gonna make the apes even more, you know, fucked up. Yep, disappointed that they was expecting a motherfucking squeeze tomorrow, and then it don't happen, and they be sitting there saying, "Damn, man, when the fuck is this motherfucker gonna happen?"
Mm-hmm.
That's what this shit sound like to me. Okay, that's what I see. Now y'all can call me a hater and everything else.
I mean, it might come, but just not on the day you thinking. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Maybe the motherfucker's looking for it. It might not come right when you looking for it. Maybe that's how it's gonna shake out.
What if that motherfucker don't come at all? What if it just sit like this for the next month and a half? Let's say by Halloween, this motherfucker still stagnant. Then what?
I don't know. But you know, we gonna be playing other shit. So I mean, I don't know what the apes did. That's gonna be kind of disheartening for the apes, but I don't fucking know. I think them motherfuckers is gonna be real distraught if it go on that damn long.
It's a possibility. It's a possibility because, like I said, new money is going into these other plays, man. They ain't about to be fucking around wasting their motherfucking money and AMC and that motherfucker ain't moving.
Mm-mm.
Who wanna keep their money in the shit in a stock that ain't moving? Huh? Hoping that motherfucker just squeeze one day. They just wake up to a whole bunch of money. I don't know. Me personally, I don't see a squeeze tomorrow. But hey, I guess I could be wrong. For all the guys that I know that's in AMC, I hope it do squeeze for you. But I
Yeah,
wouldn't expect.
that's what I'm saying.
I wouldn't expect it though. I wouldn't expect no squeeze tomorrow.
No,
But I hope
I
I'm
don't
wrong.
expect. Yeah, exactly. I won't mind being wrong on that one because the homie's getting paid. You know what I'm saying?
You know
So
what I'm saying?
that's all to the good.
Yeah. So at the end
But
of the
it's
day,
so many fire plays. If you do get to the point where you just had enough of AMC, but look at all the shit at the bottom. So it's life after AMC too.
yeah,
So
exactly. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't put no new money in this motherfucker.
nah,
You know what I'm saying? Now, if you trying to add your position into AMC, I would rather do something else with that money than to put it into AMC myself right now. Because you might see a lot of stagnant movement with this motherfucking stock. I can see it. Meanwhile, while you put that extra money into AMC, you could have put that extra money into another stock that's moving real big, moving better than AMC. You know what I'm saying?
no.
Now, let me see the chart for BTBT. I want to see this one. Who called this one? Bot or kid?
Let me see. I think I'm not sure. Whoever called it, if y'all in the chat, say y'all called it. Rub
Real
for
quick. Real
I
quick.
don't know. I don't know, kid. Hey, who called BTBT, kid? I can't see the chat because we about to pull the chart up.
Well, I'm about to find out.
Boom. So that's what you want right there.
Yeah. What's the price for this motherfucker?
10.25. You don't see the prices in there.
I see it now. I gotta pull up my screen. Okay. That motherfucker look like damn near AMC. So so that motherfucker at $12. Where y'all think this motherfucker gonna go? Kid called it.
Okay.
So yeah, kid, where you think this motherfucker gonna go, bro? At least 10. It's already at 10, ain't it? You talking about this? You talking about if it breaks 12, then it's off to the races. It's already at 12. It's already at 12.46. It's already at 12.46.
So where kids say he see it going?
He said 12, then it's off to the races, but it's already at 12. It's past 12.
Unless we ain't got the right one up, but this got to be it.
It is. BT.
He ain't
Sure.
came back in.
No. Yeah, BT. Yeah, it's at 12.46 right now. What's the price target for this stock? $12.46. This motherfucker right here. This look like it might be able to pull back a little bit.
What you think you can get it cheaper?
Looking at that chart and how that motherfucker is at its highest point, that motherfucker could
52
pull
week
back.
high is $33.
Is how much?
33.
33. Okay.
And the 52 week low is 340.
What's the volume on this bitch? BT. Yeah, I think this motherfucker might go down a little bit. I'm thinking it could touch maybe $11 or something like that.
BT. Oh, price target 18 and $19. You ain't see that?
Okay. Yeah, I'm
See,
on
you
my.
gotta watch the chat, bro. I ain't even looking at the
Yeah,
chat.
I'm looking. I was looking at the whatchamacallit. I'm looking at the chart.
So he's saying, so
Okay.
if y'all in this, he's saying y'all can get. Cause I had to go back to the thing. So he's saying y'all can get $18, 19. Y'all can get a good $7 off this motherfucker.
But I think
Maybe.
it might pull back a little bit. It might pull back just to like 11, like in the 11. I'm thinking it might pull back just a tad bit to the 11th and then run up. That's what I'm thinking. I would try and get in like 1170. If I get in at 1170, I'll ride that bitch for like 18, 19. Yeah, that's like $6 a share. That ain't bad at all. Yeah, that's a nice stock. And what's the 6-month chart? Is that the 6-month chart right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's on its way back up. Yeah, because its lowest point was like in the fours. This bitch was like in the fours. And that was in July. That wasn't that long ago. So yeah, it's going back down. Yeah, this bitch about to go back up. Same basket with all the other small cats. Yeah, this motherfucker about to run back up for sure. That
So
was
this could
this.
be a good. This could be
Yeah,
a good buy for somebody looking to make some money.
yeah. This right here, this whole chart where it went from the bottom part to the top part, that was basically to show that this stock is still alive. That's what this did. So now it's about to reconsolidate, I believe.
See,
It's
this was
going,
the top. Then it
yeah, that
came
right there.
down. Then now it's trying to bust back up.
Yeah, it's trying to bust back up. So I think that's why I say it might go to like 1170 from here. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to buy this motherfucker here too at 1246,
I mean, scale in. You ain't got to
yeah,
buy it all at once.
yeah,
Depending on how many shares you gonna get. Say you gonna get
uh-huh.
100 shares. Not saying you gonna get 100. Buy maybe 30 or 25 or 40 or 50, depending on how you know what I'm saying in that range, and then buy some more. You ain't got to buy it all at once because you might not get it at the perfect price. Your first shot at it.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'll fuck with that stock. Meanwhile, while these stocks be running, AMC gonna be a piece of shit stock. This motherfucker better run tomorrow. All this shit these motherfuckers talking about how this thing about to squeeze tomorrow, man. They better do that shit tomorrow. They better do that. It's at $40 right now. And people was, this thing has come down quite a bit. And it's supposed to run up again, honestly. This thing should be like, honestly, this stock should really be like $60 right now. To be honest with you. With all the shit that's going on and all the good news and everything with AMC and everything, this thing should have squeezed to like at least 60 where it's consolidating at 60. 40 is too fucking low, to be honest with you. It really is. This is too low of a stock. Look at GameStop. GameStop gained $50 in one day, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what the fuck did AMC do? Like what, $3-4 or some shit? That's weak.
What it was.
It was weak.
Kid said the clock ticking for AMC.
Yeah, that motherfucker is ticking.
So what you think, kid? Tomorrow is it gonna be good or what?
Clock is ticking on that motherfucker, man, for sure. You know what I'm saying? GameStop went up $50 motherfucking dollars in one day. And AMC went up a couple bucks and everybody was all geeked up. I'm sitting there thinking, shit, this bitch should have been up like $15, $20. I better see a $15, $20 day tomorrow out of AMC. What if we don't see that tomorrow? What if we see like a $4 day? Is that a squeeze?
He said Man, there's a ton of hype with these apes. They're going crazy on Twitter. But what you think, kid? Is it gonna pop tomorrow? And what's going on with your playboy? If anybody want to join the panel and come talk about AMC or any other stocks, tap that link.
I better be seeing something happening, man. Within the next I better see something happening tomorrow. I need to wake up to like that bitch up like $12, $13.
We're gonna listen to the video. We're gonna listen to that video that Astro made.
Go ahead.
That's what we're gonna do. Just Astro.
So a lot of people have been asking me about, hey, do a predictions video. So here you go.
We going head to head with Jake Paul.
Are all from different time frames.
They're gonna watch it too.
But are still the same.
Is the fight on yet?
Chart down here goes all the way back to May 12th.
Let me tell you, I ain't watching that shit.
To present. This chart right here. I'm sorry, this will be March 12th to present. This right here is March 13th to January 8th of 2021. This chart right here is from January 21st to present. Boy, oh frickin' boy, because I need to make sure I make ad revenue from this video. Is there some interesting shit to unpack and to also repack? We're about to have, according to the cycle theory, another run-up that was seen in January. The blue fractals, or the blue highlight pieces, are the first phase of a run-up. It's fractal zero, so to speak, with then the golden highlighted region being what comes after, right? Now, it can look really confusing at first, but to make it look as simple as possible, this right here is the same right here, pattern and fractal wise. This right here is the same as this right here. Well, if we know that yellow leads into blue and blue leads into yellow, then if we're finishing our yellow piece, what would be next? Someone sabotaging the video. The $10 super chat. Thank you. Thank you. Pick a chair. Hallelujah. So let me kind of take this a step further and try to really hone in on this so you can see it for yourself. I'm going to pull up those other two charts. So again, this is almost a year and a half of trading. This is 9 months from March 18th to January 12th of 2021. This is from January 21st to present day. When you zoom in on what's going on here, I'm going to take the blue cycle or the blue fractal that occurred in March of 2020 into late January right here. Okay, and I'm going to line it up with the run-up that we had in January. And you can see the similarities. What's odd here and what suggests to me that what happened in January completely caught whomever is rigging this whole shit show off guard is you don't quite see a run-up. Instead, you see the inverse. Right? And then you see this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Right? Tap out, go down. I'll make it even easier for you to see. All right. So the fractal from March of 2020 into August of 2020, excuse me, looks the exact same as that of which has happened from January 22nd of 2021 up until May, late May, going into early June. Now, if we take a look at the cycle after that, or the fractal after that, this is from August 24th of 2020, going into the run-up in late January of 2021. This right here, from May 21st up to present. And again, I'll scale this a little bit better, that it's a clearer image, right? You can clearly see where these levels are occurring at and how it is repeating itself. It just becomes more and more amplified. The amplification you can actually see here after showing you what has happened over the past year and a half. This right here is this right here. And they fall slightly out of sync. And that's what I think could be one of the factors that has been labeled as acceleration or deceleration. But there's a lot of cyclicality here. There's a lot of unusualness to it. So what does that mean? What does it mean when we put it into English? Well, if we zoom in on the last time that we had this golden fractal, last time we had this was going into late January of 2021, where the thing went from $2 all the way up to 20. I'm not here to give price targets. I'm just here to point out patterns, because that's all I'm good at. Again, this is from early January here, going into late January. This is mid-August, going into now late August. It is very clear where we're starting to see some reminiscence or remnants, right? And it seems that you get the pop, those boom boom candles, right when you reach the halfway point of retracing whatever this downward movement was, which I would consider to be all of this right here, right? Or even right at where these three dots, or these three bullseyes occur. So we've gone past it, and already we're starting to flatten out. And after this, it looks like an ascension. The last time we saw this happen, it was a 10x event. And then they took the buy button away. So this is just what I'm seeing. This is what I've been able to put together. You can see it. You cannot see it. I don't give a shit. I think the picture that's being illustrated here is quite clear. So Monday's going to be interesting, per usual. Everything is pointing in the right direction, though. And you do as you will.
So what you think? I kind of see it though. You ain't see it in that chart?
How long does this guy last on the street? Tell him the drug dealer this.
10 times. That's crazy, bro. I can't see that.
How long does
see
this
that.
guy last on the street telling this fucking shit? I think that a gangster is gonna put that motherfucker's hair in a ponytail and drag him down the street with it. They
So
they
what?
gonna pull him.
So you telling me you didn't see that in that chart how them scenarios happen that way?
Let's play this. People forget that AMC was not as manipulated in January as it is right now. You have to understand that.
Was
See,
it manipulated in June?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then it went up in June, right?
It went up in June, but then it went all the way down, and
Okay.
it got even more manipulated after that, buddy. Let's be real here.
So you saying it ain't gonna be no pop this trip?
I don't think
Period.
it's gonna be no pop this one. I don't see it. Not tomorrow. It ain't gonna be tomorrow.
No, I believe that. Nah, it probably won't be tomorrow.
It
But
ain't gonna be tomorrow. It's gonna,
he
like I
said
said, it's gonna
he
have
said
one
this
more
boy
motherfucker.
jump from here.
Okay.
Because basically he's saying this was the top of the last run right here. And then now this is the top of that one. Look how high that bitch went up though. I don't know.
Like I said, it's gonna have one more pop, and that's it.
I don't know.
Straight the fuck up. They're gonna have one more pop. Okay. And that's it. After that, I strongly advise getting out of that motherfucker.
I want to fuck with it, but I wonder where this bitch going this trip though.
Okay. I strong no more than 100. No more. That's what I'm thinking. 100. Okay. And it's gonna take them motherfuckers on a whirlwind because they think, oh, once it gets to 100, oh, them dumb motherfuckers probably gonna buy another fucking sack of stock in that bitch. I'm gonna buy some more. They'll start buying options again, believe it or not. Them motherfuckers retarded enough to do it. Is AMC done? I think he got one more pop. I ain't putting no new money in that motherfucker. If I already got something in it, shit.
Would you buy it? Would you buy it right now?
No, because I'd rather put my money somewhere else. No.
So you don't want nothing to do with AMC?
I don't want nothing to do with AMC. What for? You can get some other plays to pop off that ain't as manipulated as AMC. You know what I'm saying? AMC is manipulated like a motherfucker.
I mean, that little chart right there got a motherfucker a little curious. I don't know.
Yeah, but they're telling the whole world about that chart now. Now everybody know. That's why that motherfucker going down. That bitch going down. That bitch ain't gonna never work out. They've been saying this shit gonna squeeze for months. Okay? For months. They've been saying this thing gonna squeeze. And all I seen was an $8 gain from $32.
He said I bought some just like bought a small lottery ticket. Yeah, I mean shit. Yeah, getting a couple shares of that shit ain't bad though. I ain't gonna even lie. Especially if that bitch pulled back some more.
It got one more pop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That bitch
I don't think it's gonna happen tomorrow though.
That's what I'm saying. I hope that bitch pulled back into a little 30 something. I grab me a little taste.
Yeah, it got one more pop.
Looking at that motherfucking chart, shit. I'll definitely take me a little taste of that motherfucker.
Yeah, it ain't gonna pop tomorrow. I don't think.
I don't think so either.
Okay, but it got one more.
He said, "Still, I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't really be that scared for real.
Sure, I wouldn't be scared like that because I believe it got one more pop. It just ain't gonna. It ain't gonna pop tomorrow. That's all I'm saying.
No, I don't think it's gonna be on time either. And then it's probably gonna make some motherfuckers sell that bitch to get so you can get it a little cheaper. Some motherfuckers is probably getting pissed each time that shit don't happen.
The conspiracy goes belly up. I'm back to trolling these dumbasses.
Hey, we right with you.
No, I heard that. Straight the fuck up, man. Because I believe it's got
how long you giving it, kid? So probably like September sometime, huh?
For what?
For this little pop right here to see if this bitch got something in it.
Possible September. I wouldn't be surprised. You gotta have a little pop somewhere.
If that shit ain't happened by October, that shit probably. He said 2 weeks. That's it.
You said 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I mean, it's possible. It's possible. I sell that pop though, man. I don't give a fuck what even if it's a $20 pop, I damn near sell that motherfucker. Fuck that. I don't really. I don't want to hold on to AMC like that. I think there's other shit going on. Friday the 10th on September, shit is over. It's possible. I ain't gonna rule that out.
So basically, that's how long he giving this shit to do what it do.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Shit, I don't blame you at all. Shit, fuck it.
And I'm hoping it go down. I'm hoping it go down to a nice little reasonable price before then. At some point, I'll dip my little toe in that motherfucker a little bit.
Yep, exactly.
Better place. Well, fuck it then.
Yeah, that's what I said. I ain't fucking with it. I'm cool.
What up, though, bot? Nostradamus, what's happening?
Bot in the motherfucking building. So yeah, it's better plays than AMC. My opinion. I agree with Bot 100%. I won't put no new money in that motherfucker.
So what should I put up on the board, Bot? I got pretty much all of them ready to go.
I see that root. That root ain't that bad. I see that bitch was up $1 and some change after hours. That motherfucker might run. And that bitch got good volume too. That bitch got 17 million in volume. That's good. That's good money right there. Yep. Next week, Ace will be sour. Yep. They gonna be fucked up next week.
Who said that?
Bye. Yep. Right off of what we have for now. Yep. Astro loses all credibility tomorrow. Yep. I don't believe it. I don't believe none of that shit, dog. I don't believe it. That fucking lame knows about the spike. Then the stock market is so easy a caveman can do it now. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker.
No, I don't think he gonna call it like that right on time.
No, I don't believe that shit at all. I don't give a fuck what that chart looks like.
But I believe it might go. It's probably gonna go up on the strength of that chart, probably, but not when he's saying it's going up.
Yep, he's taking his whole rep on Monday, which is retarded.
That's dumb to a motherfucker. I would never do that.
Yep. That's like saying the world was gonna come to an end in 2012.
Yeah, that's
what that is. Yeah, that motherfucker look all right at 640. He's taking his whole damn rep. Not sure. Loses all credibility. Yeah, yeah. And then and people gonna still watch him though. Believe it or not. They still gonna watch that shit. Cause they ain't got nothing else to watch. They ain't gonna know who else to go to. You know what I'm saying? They gonna basically go to that motherfucker till they lose some real money. And that's when they gonna be gone forever. That's what's gonna happen over there. I can't believe that dude sitting there saying that shit gonna happen on Monday. That's the start. Yeah, this timing is way off. This shit all the way off. It's gonna squeeze. You know what I'm saying? Just not tomorrow though. I think it might go to like 38. You know what I'm saying? AMC, it could go to like $38. 36. It's at 40 right now. So it's probably it can go to like 36.
You said what kind? AMC?
Yep. I'll say 3 week waiting. If it doesn't do what he says in 3 weeks, then it's another bullshit theory. Yep. It's another bullshit theory. Shit, what about all the other days that motherfucker was just going down? I'm sure it had some days where it had that same kind of chart, that same chart like that. I bet you it did. I bet you had the same kind of chart. Back then they were saying the same thing because when AMC was going down, they had some days where it had some green days, and I bet you could pull up a chart during them days that motherfucker was looking like that. And what did it do? Kept going down. You can look at that chart. SOS limited. What's this? 267.
Mm-hmm.
SOS. At 267. Oh yeah, this motherfucker all right.
Yeah, that's another play.
Yeah, this bitch all right. I can fuck with this. 6 months. Yeah, this bitch all right. Yeah, this motherfucker all right. Who called this motherfucker?
I think Kid, but I'm not sure.
This motherfucker, yeah, this bitch is at his 52-week low almost, ain't it? No, 52-week low is $1.21, but shit, that bitch go to $15. Yeah, this motherfucker ain't bad at all.
So what y'all saying is that a power play bot, Kid? Do it get y'all approval? What's happening? No, who you didn't call that play? Oh, was that a bot play?
Or was it AB?
I don't think AB called that one. I know AB called the. He called. We about to definitely talk about that. Was the oil play or whatever? I think I got it on here. Oh no, mind. Who play was that? That was AB.
It was on the Discord, wasn't it?
Was it? I'm not sure. I know AB called HPK. I don't know if he called.
If one of y'all called it, shit.
Yeah, I got that shit from somewhere. What y'all think about it?
You said he called HPK. So you two watch that.
I got it.
HPK. So you call you call Root ROOT.
Your boy Trey. Okay, we about to watch a Trey video. We about to watch. All right, we about to get into this. Hold on. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker was moving after hours pretty decent. That bitch was up $1 and some change after hours. Yeah, that motherfucker was. It's interesting. While this goes down, we'll play his own play. Yep, I'm saying 40. 41.
All right, let's see. Let's peep out this trade video.
How long is it?
12 minutes.
How we doing, baby? It is your boy Trey coming back
He
again
got
for
some
another
glasses
video.
on and
We've got some
everything.
stuff to actually be excited about, my friends. I'll tell you that right now. First off, we got Titan chilling out, not attacking me.
Put that fucking cat down.
Look at you. You're calm. He's just so goofy. Don't bite my nose. We've also got Lamp chilling here in the background. As you can see, it has been heavily requested we bring back Lamp. I don't think it's a coincidence that Lamp took about a month and a half hiatus, and there was some chop. We were riding some chop on AMC for a while, and I think it was just about time that we brought back the mistress, the girl herself. And we also have some excitement and spark in the air again with AMC as the trend and the momentum is starting to continue back to where I think it is ultimately going to go, and that's a good thing. And I'm going to validate that by showing you some hard statistics and data in terms of where this is actually moving. But without further ado, what is up, everybody? Welcome to Trade Straight. We can talk fast and don't get class like that. I'm not a financial advisor or expert, so I'm going to say the greatest salt. Let's get into
What the fuck?
today, my friends, my family.
Wow.
What you talking about? The way you just said that shit?
Hell yeah, that nigga sound like busy bone like a motherfucker.
My fellow Gorilla Gang, we're going to go over a couple different things here. I'm going to start off with the Ortex data, which just goes over the data and statistics behind short interest in the grand scheme microscopic picture. I'm also going to go over the short sale volume percentage, which just gives you an idea of the actual shorting that's going into this stock on any given day. I want to show you the Google trends because there's actually something that I find fascinating taking place right now that happened right before the major run-up in June and right before the major run-up in January. And then we're going to finish it off with the technical analysis because ultimately, I've never bullshitted anybody, right? I've always given it to you straight as I think it. And sometimes AMC doesn't look very good, and I'll tell you. And I think AMC right now looks muy bien.
Trey, you been bullshitting since the word go, man. Cut it out, man.
It looks yokata, decent. Yokata in Japanese is good. So I'm very excited to talk about this today. We're going to get you guys rocking for the week. And then ultimately, last thing I have to say before we get into this is your financial responsibility, your financial decision, right? I am not here to buy or sell this stock for you. I'm only going to lay out information that I see it as I see it. And you guys go from there and do whatever you'd like to do. Feed your family, keep the roof over your head, make sure that you're healthy, happy, and taken care of. And without further ado, let's just get into this.
Now he cares about the people.
Now you already knew what I. Now you done put the family caveat in there. When did that get? So you been listening to us, Trey? Trey, my nigga. So what you learning? You learning, Trey? But you still ain't keeping it 100. I already know it. Now he's trying to look intelligent. Look at this motherfucker. Ain't nothing but a dope fan. Look at him. He trying to change his appearance.
That motherfucker look like Kurt Rambis.
That motherfucker trying to upgrade himself from a cokehead. Boy, you still a cokehead. We still know.
Bad boy. So Ortex, I'm going to start off here and show you a couple of different things, right? Probably the most important is the short interest. This is based off of 85% of the exchange reported data, meaning that this is a conservative estimate, a conservative floor in terms of the overall trend, macroscopically speaking, of the stock. 87.84 million total shares currently shorted into the market and about 17.17% short interest of free float. This can very easily be 20, 25, 30%, right? Just based on puts that are in the market, any sort of naked shorts, any sort of failure to delivers. You've got high frequency trading that moves the stock in both directions, up and down, up and down, up and down, scalping by computers, right? There's a lot of things, but this shows you one main important factor that nobody can debate, and the shorts have not covered their positions. You cannot have the squeeze that everybody is anticipating with AMC stock without the shorts actually covering their positions, and that's what you are watching for with this stock. Another, interesting thing is that the shares on loan is starting to go up disproportionately to the actual short interest, and anytime that this happens, typically the short interest is higher than is actually being estimated. And you can actually see that if you were to look at the trend lines here, right? So check this out. You see that the shares on loan spikes up pretty heavily here, and the short interest spiked up along with it when it was corrected. Now, what you're watching right now is this huge discrepancy between short interest and the actual shares on loan. You got about 112 million shares on loan back here versus about what appears to be 92 million shorted shares. I think that this discrepancy that's starting to widen means that the short interest could very easily be in that 18, 19, 20% range, conservatively speaking, based on 85% of the exchange reported data. Cost to borrow also in an overall uptrend, but it did come back down here just a smidgen compared to the last week of trading that we saw. Remember, guys, on Monday through Friday last week, about 3 or 4 of those days, the maximum cost to borrow was in that 10% plus range, which is a good sign that there's starting to be a little more risk associated with a short position on the stock, which puts pressure on those who hold positions to potentially cover their positions, right? It also means that the utilization is going up, which you can see, in fact, is happening. Now, this is an important thing, and I think an interesting thing to look at is anytime the utilization has been maxed out, that cost to borrow incredibly and exponentially grows. It really does. Now, check this out. Cost to borrow and utilization. Utilization 100%. That's when you saw the highest cost to borrow, the most annualized interest rate, and the most pressure on short positions to push those turds back into the freaking stupid chickens, chili chickens they come from, right? You can see that. It shows right here. Maxed out utilization, maxed out utilization. Cost to borrow is very, very high. And we are going back in that right overall direction. So watch for that, right? It's a good thing to see that we're still trending in the right direction in terms of that cost to borrow going up. All in all, if you're going to pull anything away from the short interest data, the Ortex data, is that we are trending in the right direction and the shorts have not covered their positions. Now, I want to get into this more as we get into the technical analysis and the actual trend of the stock. But this pattern is very fascinating. And it's the pattern of, you see some shorts. Now, this does not mean that there's a short squeeze. It just means that some shorts have covered, which can push the price up, right? What you see is some shorts covered over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, right? We see that right here. 19.64% short interest, bops down to about 11. Got it back up to 19%, bops out about 14. Back up to 19, bops down a little bit. We see it back here in January. Some shorts went from 12% down to about 8. The thing here is, I do think this is very similar to a Tesla squeeze in terms of the way that the stock moves and in terms of the way that I think this overall momentum is going to go. And I want to show you that as we get into the Google Trends. But first, I want to talk about the daily short sale volume percentage. Now, this is fascinating because 59% of the overall market volume last Friday on August 25th was shorted volume. And now, how does that compare to the overall price action? We were green that day, up 1.31%. If you look at the actual trading, what I think you saw pretty much to a T is frequency, high frequency, algorithmic trading. You can see that here, right? You can see this sort of up and down, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth sort of price action between what I would call supply and demand and resistance and support levels. Now, I'm going to get into supply and demand in trading more so in a different video, but there's critical levels in which computers, or AKA smart money, do not want to let the price go up or down beneath, which is why when you have technical breakouts above or below those points, you get hard pushes. And we saw that back here with that push over $37.50, like I'd mentioned in the prior week before that huge, massive run-up that we ended up seeing. So to look at the overall shorted volume, what I take away from this compared to the price action is there are big people out there, big money, big firms that are trying to push the price down beneath critical levels and or hold it up above critical levels. Because I do think there are firms out there who are long on the stock who don't talk about it. As Charles Payne said, they don't go to the country club and brag about their AMC position because they're a bunch of chickens. They don't get what it is to be an ape, my friends. But it is what it is, right? And that is a good thing to see, is that apes are freaking holding the stock up above critical levels. And you've also got some smart money out there, the 20% compared to the 80% of freaking apes that like the stock, right? That are trying to help this thing out despite a 59% shorted volume percentage. Now, I want to finish off with this before the technical analysis, and it's the overall trend. Now, if you're to look at this is an important factor. I don't bring this up a whole lot because I want to see statistical and some sort of major difference compared to what you maybe saw the previous week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because if there's nothing critical to talk about, there's no point in bringing it up. But here there is. You're starting to see an uptick very similar to what you're seeing in the overall price action a week ago, right? You're starting to see momentum build in the overall chart. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, right? It's going in the right direction. It's building momentum. It looks like it's found that bottom at that $28 zone. In the same way, you see this trend playing out in terms of actual interest in the company and in the stock itself, ebb and flow, goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, what do we see here, right? You see this huge uptick back in January, followed by a couple months of what I would call consolidation, and then a little bit of an uptick here, right? You see this uptick from overall interest over time from 6 to 10 to 14, and then to 35, and then up to 72 when we had that major push up to that $70 range back in early June. And then it cooled off, right? It backed off the pedal for a pretty long, decent amount of time. And it's starting to get that momentum back. Right? Check this out. 10, 15. What does this remind you of? This reminds me of back here in early May when we got that lead up to this overall huge run up that we saw in early June to $77 in the pre-market. Now, why is this important, right? I don't necessarily think this means that we're going to squeeze tomorrow, that we're going to hit freaking some X price target within the next couple of days or anything, but I do think it is a confirmation of the momentum and the trend that is starting to build.
So at least Trey kind of keeping it a bean there. He ain't even calling it for tomorrow.
He don't know when that motherfucker gonna bust.
No, he kind of said what I kind of said on the, hey, maybe that chart looking like it might be about to go in the right direction, but you know, tomorrow, now that motherfucker boy with that guitar shit, he fuck around. He shouldn't have called that motherfucker for tomorrow.
Shit, that's retarded.
That was a ballsy call right there.
Behind AMC stock. I was very
Yeah, you talking about Zach Hill? Yeah, he got the little glasses on with the fake stuff. You already know. What about that? No, people don't give a fuck about AMC.
No, they don't. They don't give a fuck about AMC.
Nope.
There's too many other things going on.
Exactly. I don't give a fuck about AMC. It's just a ticker. Exactly. Exactly.
I'm not sure.
Has he even talked about Astro? I don't think so. Not in this video, at least.
When it's gonna leave Trey man for Astro. You think so? You think they're gonna do that?
They fucking around Mike though.
That might.
You know they would. But that bitch, I don't think it's gonna do nothing Monday. Trey playing it safe.
Very confident when I said that I think this $28-ish level, I said 25, right? I'll come out and I'll say that every day of the week that I was off by a couple dollars, but I do think this is the bottom. And I said very clear as day, I think the bear trend is coming to an end, and it is. And we are entering the next bull cycle. And you can see that playing out not only in the data, not only in the technical analysis, but in trend, in sentiment, which is probably the most important factor behind what drives the stock is sentiment, because there is a lot of positive sentiment behind the stock, and it trades based on momentum, and it moves based on momentum, and obviously gets held down by the hedge fucks out there. No, I'm kidding.
Fake live dude, so fake.
The big dogs that don't want this thing to move. Now, we're going back in the right direction. I want to talk about the technical analysis and critical levels to watch for. So $37.50, right? We called that out last week because that was an important technical breakout point. And in the same way, you could see the same exact move happen at $48.80 with this double top rejection bull trap setup that we saw play out in the last couple of days. Now, what ended up happening on that push over $37.50 was the 4-test trend. It's something that's come to fruition many, many times with AMC stock, and I think is going to happen again. Now, what do we have rocking here? It's the easiest to see on the hourly candles. 1 test, 2 tests, right at that $48.30 range. And I've got a box drawn up here because it's never going to hit within a penny of whatever you're expecting, right? It's a zone, a typical zone of where if you see a hard push above that level, you can see a nice breakout. What I think you're going to watch happen over the next 1 or 2 weeks is it's going to test out this trend, this level of resistance one more time, a third time, likely will reject, right? Then it's going to do some retracement, maybe some consolidating, stair-stepping higher lows. It's going to come up and test for the 4th time, in my opinion, just based on the trend that has taken place over the last 8 months that I've watched this stock. And it's going to get a break. And when it does get that break, my friends, I think that's when you're going to watch the biggest move that we've seen since this push up to $72. And who knows what it could do, right? I can't predict that. I'm not freaking God. I can't predict the future. I don't have a crystal ball. But I will tell you that this is beautiful. Things are looking great. This is something to get excited about. And I've been here through the fucking trenches, man. I know. I've seen it. I've seen the good days, the bad days. And I think there's some really good days ahead for AMC stock. I'm very excited, and you guys should be too. And I think you can feel it. You can feel that people are starting to get jacked about the stock again. That people are starting to watch this a little closer because it is starting to build momentum. People are starting.
Anybody watching that shit?
It's got less of the fun, the fear and uncertainty down. It's got less of all that X factor that plays into some of this negative price action. You guys should be excited. I'm freaking excited. I can't wait to see what ends up happening here over the next couple of weeks because we are stair-stepping closer and closer and closer to where you want the thing to go, where I hope for this thing to go, and that's what I've got for this video. So blah, 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 no spill, drop a like.
Ain't nobody watching this shit, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Cut it out.
Yeah. So what's the moves for this week, y'all? What people need to be looking for?
I kind of like that root. I like that root stock. And I like that.
That shit sound crazy over there, way too.
Go to that one with that AB called HPK.
Sound crazy. You said what now?
I said go to that one that AB called HPK.
The audio sound fucked up. Hold on. I'm gonna have to come back in real quick.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say something.
Can you hear me?
All right. You can hear me too.
Yep.
He said I had no more capital to play.
All my money's tied up in plays.
Deep in BBIG. All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna go to. You said you want to go to that
HPK.
All right. This is an oil and natural gas play, I believe. And they saying with this shit that's going on, it might, you know what I mean?
So looking at that at 940, I see a pullback. I see a pullback. Might not pull all the way down to 750, but I could possibly see another pullback. What did it do after hours?
I don't know if it say that here.
Hold on.
It ain't do nothing.
Mm-hmm. So it went up $1.
And the volume light as fuck though.
What's the volume? 65,000?
Yeah.
I don't know. That one's kind of small. I kind of would. I need that one to be like at least 800,000.
So we trying to find the tail of the tape out on this boy. This is gonna be a big day for this one tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Kid is invested heavy. Bob got a nice piece. Both of them boys pretty heavy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
so
that motherfucker.
Definitely. That boy been running. You see
that motherfucker. What you mean, the resident bear? You don't think that's cool though? You don't think that's right though with the HPK? BBIG gonna either pull back or he's gonna run crazy on Monday.
I think that bitch gonna go.
That motherfucker was like, what did that like $2 after hours?
Yeah, I think that bitch was at like 770 or something.
HPK looked like it had a pullback. I thought it went up $1 on
What
Friday. HPK.
HPK did go up 92 cents.
Yeah. What was the volume on that motherfucker that day? Light. 68,000. That bitch was light though, man. I mean, I guess I wouldn't be buying no more than like 500 shares of it. 200 shares or something. You said it's already gone?
What's gone?
He said BBIG. He said it's already gone. So Yeah, it probably is because that bitch went up crazy after hours. Yeah,
that bitch gonna go. That bitch gonna go, but I agree.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's written in stone. Word.
That offering is soon. It will drop. What do you mean? What
I
offering?
guess them shares. I guess them motherfucking that dilution.
What, BBIG?
I believe so. I think that's what we was talking about earlier in the thing. Ain't that what you talking about, bro?
So what's the highest you think y'all seeing this motherfucker going now with the dilution in play? Yeah, that motherfucker.
Oh, they got an offering for HPK.
Oh.
So you gotta be very careful with that motherfucker. They about to offer do a share off shit. That motherfucker gonna drop like a motherfucker when they do
Well,
that.
I'm not.
Probably.
That's what I said. I'm not. I'm a little leery on HPK. I'm a little leery on that one. That one I'll probably be.
And Bot, then you say this might be a potential decent daddy right here.
Which one is that? OCGN?
I mean, Kid. I think Kid said this might be something cool. What y'all think it is? Is this something somebody can invest their money in?
You saying that HPK is a strong stock? You said it won't drop far. So that's a hell of a fall. So you saying this bitch going to $5?
He's saying that he was just saying if, you know what I'm saying, I don't believe he thinks. You think that was a COVID, that OCGN?
No, he said OCGN was a
approval. So you think is it somebody would you suggest that for somebody, Kid? Or you would tell them to wait on it?
If it did fall that low, I'll throw 10K in it. Yeah, if it did an offering, yeah, I would $5, maybe even $4.50. To be honest with you, it might even go to like $4.20. That bitch should go lower than that if they do an offering. That bitch gonna go to like $4.20. That's what I'm thinking. If we go there, like $4.20.
$4.20.
If they do an offering, I can see that bitch going to like $4.20. Yeah, it's gonna lose over half its weight at $9. At $9, if it's at $9.50, it's gonna lose like over half its weight.
You know what I'm saying? If it did fall that low, I'm not in that, so I can't recommend that since I'm not personally in. Okay, I can dig that, bro. Research stocks.
Tickers we discuss the stocks we like. Never buy based off what I say. Always back your bet with research. I feel you. Yep.
Yeah.
Totally agree. Yep. Yeah. So overall, I do like that root stock, and I like OCGN. I've been seeing that too. You know what I'm saying? OCGN. Yeah, that motherfucker running healthy too. And the volume is good. I like the volume. We got 6 million in volume, which is good. It's financial advice. So, damn, this bitch was 41 cents in September.
What was?
OCGN.
Oh.
Yeah. So that motherfucker, so at $7.50. Yeah, this ain't that bad at all. I like this one too. That bitch went up to, it was at $11 in April, $15 in May. Damn, that bitch was $15 in May. Then it fell down. And then it's just been staying steady. It's been staying steady at the $6 range since. It's been in the $6 range since June. This motherfucker got to move eventually. You got to make a move. You know what I'm saying? It really has to make a move right now. It's either gonna sink or swim at this point. And it's been strong though. That's what I do like about it. That motherfucker look pretty strong. But this bitch is up 1,700%. That's crazy. I would say this motherfucker, if this bitch is up like 3,400%, that's when I'll sell it. So that's taking it to like $15. Yep, $15. Yeah, I'll sell it there. $15, $16. I'll pump that out. That's what I say for that one. You can buy this motherfucker right here at this point, at this price. I wouldn't feel so bad buying it here. This bitch is like
media play right now is BBIG. Follow BB. Smaller MAT, AMC, and Works. PLGI.
So yeah, I'm a smaller MAT, AMC, Works, and Palantir.
There it is.
Palantir, man. I'm so disappointed in that motherfucker, man. That motherfucker was a dud, man. That bitch should have been up. That's the only thing I'm worried about. That motherfucker. Palantir should have been up by now. Cause where they at now? Palantir is like what, $20 something or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that bitch $25. Yeah, the Panthers BB should be there at least. Yeah, BlackBerry. Yeah, that bitch at $10. That bitch at $10, ain't it? Yeah, we probably need to put that on the ticker too. BlackBerry, motherfucker is gonna run too.
Yeah.
I'd rather buy that than AMC for real. To be honest with you, now think about it. I would take BlackBerry over there. Because it ain't nowhere near as manipulated as AMC. Yeah, at $11, I would take that. I would take that even right now. I think it might pull back just a tad bit.
Yeah, BlackBerry ain't bad.
But if you want to buy that motherfucker, I would take BlackBerry. I'd rather invest my money in BlackBerry than AMC right now.
Yeah, I would say that.
Because what ran BlackBerry? BlackBerry ran after hours. It was up and went to 11:30 after hours on Friday. You talking about Palantir? 25. BB should be there at least. Yeah. BB is a safer play because that's what in the future. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'd rather take BlackBerry myself. Wait for it. It might pull back a little bit, just a tad bit, but overall, that bitch when it shoot up, that bitch might shoot up to like $20, $30. That's what I would do. I'll dead the whole BlackBerry till it's like $20, $30. That's what I would do. That's not enough for major partnerships. From the BlackBerry, yeah. And BBIG. That motherfucker boy shot up. Yeah, that bitch about to go.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow should be a real good day for him.
Yeah. $20-$30. Yeah. I'll sell all that I'll sell all that $20-$30 with BlackBerry. Take that money and go. That's what I would do.
Cybersecurity, self-driving cars, just sending some major partnerships. Yeah, that's what's up. BlackBerry and all that shit.
Yep.
That's just all price target as well. $20-$30. So traders, do your own due diligence, but if you want to get y'all a little piece of this and y'all want to hold it for a little second, y'all can probably make $20 on this motherfucker down there. At least 10-15.
Yeah, I'll take that for sure. That bitch gotta run eventually.
Yeah, but that shit.
I think when all these meme stocks run again, somehow AMC ain't gonna reach its full potential.
AMC gonna at least go to 100 something, man. I think.
I wonder. Man, I know. They ain't gonna find that out until after this bitch is $20-$30 though. That's what the thing is with BlackBerry.
So basically, BlackBerry done said fuck the phones and shit. They done turned all over to a whole nother type of situation than that. NEM, okay, bot. You know we're gonna have to throw that up there. Yeah, I thought that, kid. Seriously, I'm glad you told me that. I definitely like what they're into. That's NEM. That's what Bot said, right?
Yep.
Marco.
AB in the motherfucking building.
What's happening, AB?
Yeah, hope tomorrow is a good day for everybody, man. Yeah. Good luck, bro. $58.19.
Yeah.
What's the price target for this one, Bot? Newmont Mining. I remember I was trading this motherfucker when it was like $20-something.
I ain't never heard of this one.
Yeah, that was my early days of trading. He said those are dividend plays. He said, but it is for short and long term for NEM. You got another one, Vale, VALE.
Have a safe flight, AB.
Yeah, man. Be safe on that. I know you got a long one, boy. That's a hell of a flight. I do not envy you on that.
You should. And then here's the wall. Wow. Val is another. Okay, I'm gonna throw that up there too, bro. Ski.
He said, Google those tickets. You basically want to see them on the website.
Google which ones? So Google NEM too?
Vale. Yeah, and Vale. Yep, both of them.
You said both?
Yep. FCX.
So Google. The first one was NEM, but what's the name of the company though?
Newmont Mining.
Hey, everybody in there, join the Discord, man. About the plays on the Discord too, man.
Yep.
It's pinned to the Twitter. The Twitter is the 10% 3. Fuck it's about. So, what you want me to go to, Bot?
Go to the profile, probably. Operations projects or some stock information.
Did he say where to go?
It's too long.
I'm sure there's got to be something with the
about us, I guess. Go to the left.
He said go to about us.
Read any news. Basically the news release. So go over to the investors.
Right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Latest news.
There's 1.4 ounces of gold and 303,000 attributed gold equivalent to ounces from co-product reported gold.
Hold on, I'm gonna take this off the screen so I'm sure to make it easier to see.
It reduced $550 million of debt with available cash in April 2021. So that's good. They reduced all that debt. That's a lot of debt right there they reduced. The acquisitions of GT Gold in 2021. So they buying companies. So that's good. They're reducing debt and buying companies. So that's a good thing. Full funding at a Hawthorne North. Yeah, so that's always a good thing. You reduce debt and buy companies. So
dividends.
Yeah. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Hold on, I'm about to sign into the Discord and put what you put up, but I can't see the chat, y'all. I'm trying to sign in to something. Cut it out. I can't even get into the damn thing. It means it's truly going to run in the next 2 weeks.
Let's pull the naked chart.
Yeah. Cop X. Hold on, we're gonna pull that up. You want me to look them up on the website? Copper miners. You like the miners, huh, bot?
COPX.
I'm about to pull that up right now. He said, "What up, Donnie? Subscribe, man, and hit the like button. Have some room to grow." Also, oh yeah, we definitely hey, a couple Nostradamus and Kid, they in there heavy. They already know, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, y'all gonna have a good day tomorrow with that one. Pull up naked. All right, I got you, bro.
Yeah, y'all can join the stream if whenever y'all want to. Donnie, you can join the stream if you want to. Get something off your mind.
I'm about to throw the yeah, man. If you want to talk, hold on, let me throw. I'm gonna throw the yeah. If anybody want to join and jump on the panel, man, talk about y'all plays and talk about trading, ask some questions, or if you got questions, ask. It's some real knowledgeable people in the chat. Join our Discord. Follow us on Twitter. Follow Nostradamus, Kid. I mean, AB. It's some very knowledgeable traders here. Marco. Right here. Here you go, bot. Do I got the screen up? You can see.
Nope.
Here you go, bot.
Naked.
Why you like that, bot?
He said Donnie mentioned it. I don't think that was his play.
Oh.
So
Donnie must have been in the chat somewhere where I ain't see you. If I ain't see you, my bad, Donnie. Hey, what you like about Naked, Donnie?
Ain't Naked a meme stock too? I think Naked is a meme stock as well.
And you know what? It's close to its 52-week low. This motherfucker might not be bad.
That motherfucker was 7 cents a share not too long ago.
It was 7 cents?
Yeah, it was 7 cents a share. I remember this.
It must have been like a couple years back because it
no,
52
wasn't that
range.
long ago.
Look at the 52 range on here, bro.
I don't care. I'm telling you what I saw.
Look at what it say, man.
I'm telling you what I saw, man. That thing was like 7 cents.
Unless they split.
No. They might have, I don't know about that.
Yeah, it was 7 cents a share in October 2020.
Yeah. I remember that. I remember this guy. This shit was 7 cents a share.
So that
But it was up.
Bitch almost went to $4.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that motherfucker was like about 7 years, about a year ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was his highest point? $4?
Uh-huh.
That motherfucker had a hell of a run. If it's a meme stock, is probably bound to blow. But Naked been kind of funny though. That's the only thing though about them. I'm a little leery on Naked, to be honest with you, Donnie. I'm a little leery on them. It's cool. I mean, at this price, you all right if you bought it.
I think it's not bad at that price, especially if you just don't want to go too crazy on it. Yeah, I would take a chance with it myself.
Yeah, I wouldn't go balls deep on this motherfucker.
No, but I would throw a little something at it maybe to see what it could do.
Yeah,
maybe.
The most I buy is like 500 shares. Yeah.
He said, yes, Naked is a mean stuff. The chart shows the same algorithm as the rest of them all. So, AB, what you think it can go? No, last year. I got in. Oh, but I said he got in at 8 cents. 7, 8 cents, maybe October 2020. Yep, kid. Look at on the chart. So, you don't want to get in until it's over $1.
Yeah. I'm a little leery on them.
So this where bot wanted us to go. So you feeling this bot? You think this has got nice potential? What you said? This is a long-term play.
You got COPEX.
Mm-hmm.
I see a pullback. I'm gonna pull back a little bit. 36. I gotta see how does this motherfucker trade crazy? Is it one of these crazy trading things? Yeah. You said I agree with the long-term hold. I agree with that part.
Yeah, take off. That's what's up, AB. He said, wonder if Rye will come back up to as high as 10. No, man. I'm gonna put Ride up there.
Was that pull the profile up on that?
Put it on which one?
We'll go to
on this.
Yeah, pull up the profile on COPEX first, and then we'll go to
Ride. They got a profile on here.
No, but just probably a Google. Yeah, Root looked pretty good, man. Root looked pretty damn good.
He said, "Pull up." What's the name of COPEX company again?
See, I'm not sure.
It's let me see. Copper minus Global X. Okay.
So
let me take this up.
we got global acts miners seek to provide investment results with corresponding generally the price and yield performance before fees and expenses. The solo active global copper miners total return index. Higher pie. A basket of companies involved in the mining of copper. So net assets, they got $1 billion in assets. Go back up. So they got $1 billion in assets. They got 29 million in shares outstanding, so that's good. So overall, the motherfucker, all right. Go to the news. OPEC loosen restrictions to oil producers more. Let's go like that. More wiggle room for OPEC allows oil producers, will spend the majority of their next week of their meetings to review oil market conditions, and they're expected to agree on further increases in crude production levels. Output from the group has made measured gains since May. In the past, such a move would likely end up pressuring oil prices for oil, but times have changed. The group of producers known as OPEC Plus have more wiggle room when it comes to their decisions on production levels, vaccination rollouts, and global economic are brightening demand outlook. And production had previously taken a hit due to standstill nature of the economy after lockdown measures were implemented. The global economy is now on a much stronger footing, and it is likely OPEC Plus is more comfortable with gradual increases in their output. Okay. So let me see that chart one more time.
Oh, which one? CopEx?
Yeah.
Okay, we ain't gonna ride either. Yeah, we're gonna go to ride after that.
I know.
You said the chart on CopEx.
CopEx, just one more time.
Boom.
Yeah, see. I think it might be a little pullback. I mean, if you want to buy it here, you can, but it might go like 34.
I think by saying these is long-term plays.
Yeah, anyway, that's true. I mean, if you want to buy it right now, I mean, it's cool. So I think the commodities, they're kind of taking a hit right now. I think so. Yeah, they are taking a hit. Yeah, it's been taking a hit. That bitch been coming down like a motherfucker. So it's cool if you want to buy it there. So you said going to ride? Is that what you want?
I'm about to go to ride now.
That boy Donnie got plays for days. I see.
Man, damn, Donnie, that's what's up. Jump in that Discord, man. They throw them bitches in there too. Ain't this right?
Yep, Lordstown Motors. I think it's an electric company. Ain't that an electric vehicle company?
This might be a cool little joint. And the 52-week high on this motherfucker 3180. I like ride. I want to do some research into it, but shit, this might not be bad.
So looking at this motherfucker,
Yeah, I like Ride. I like that.
that's
I gotta
all.
check into him.
They got. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a lot of consolidation. That motherfucker be Ride has been kind of disappointing too. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker should have been better too. But that motherfucker might be all right too. I mean, long term, Ride should be okay. You know what I'm saying?
You said what's that? MLT.
MPLN.
Yeah, he coming over some little bangers.
Yeah, that ain't that bad. DT in the motherfucking building.
What up, dog?
Shit,
what
we've
up,
been
DT?
We've been on for about an hour and a half, bro.
We've been on for a minute. Hold on, let me.
MPLN. Let me see that.
I'm about to jump on that. I'm about to put that MPL in. Give me 1 second, bro.
MPLN got good volume. It's kind of down. It's been kind of getting whooped since June. Its highest point was 950. That was a 950 in June. It's been tanking ever since.
What's the ticker on it?
MPLN.
No, the other one. He had another one, right? MPLN.
PBF.
PBF. We gonna go back to the MPLN real quick.
Yeah, MPLN been taking a minute getting whooped.
Shut up, man. Okay. MPLN.
That motherfucker been getting whooped since June.
Hey, that's on the schedule of AMC down there.
What's the short interest? You know about that, Donnie? You know the short interest on that motherfucker? Let me see that motherfucker.
Hey, Donnie, follow us on Twitter and jump on the Discord, man. There'd be a lot of plays being exchanged on there, man. I see you got plays too, man. We all be, you know what I'm saying? Everybody be on there exchanging shit, man. Get in, get out. Hell yeah, bro. Definitely gotta do that. That's the whole key to this shit.
Short interest at 50. Short interest is 56%.
SBET. That's another one.
Yeah, that short interest on whatchamacallit is 56. That motherfucker might. They got room to fall down some more. Yeah, stick your move, AB. Stick your move.
That's what AB just said.
Yep, pretty much.
Hell yeah, AB. I can't see the chat now. He said it's another one. It's on screen, right?
Yeah. Yep. That MPLN, that motherfucker at 56, man. That motherfucker might go down some more. I need that bitch to go down some more. That'd be love. You get it in the fives again. Let's see. What's this one? SBET.
Yeah.
That's just. SBT is at 42 for the short interest. That's kind of low.
Okay, I see that.
What price is that? What price is that, motherfucker?
You know what to look for. Stick and move. Exactly, AB. You gotta sell all that shit and then motherfucking jump back in if you want to, or jump on these plays. You see, there's plays galore out this motherfucker. Shit, you already see what it is out here. There's so much money to be made.
Yeah, this bitch gotta go down. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, you got a Twitter, Donnie? Put your Twitter up.
This motherfucker might go down, dog.
Which one?
SBET. This motherfucker might go down.
You see it going down where? Because this bitch, it was $2 at one point.
It's gonna go down somewhere. That fucking short interest is kind of low. That short interest is at 42. I don't know if that's good.
You said you wish you were gonna be down. That's crazy.
If it wasn't in the air most of the day. Now, yeah, man. Shit.
So out of all the plays, you just put, Donnie, what's your favorite? Woo. What you feel is the most solid? This one that you speaking on?
Yeah, SBET. That look like it's right for a fall. That motherfucker ran for 2 days. Let's see.
Oh, it did.
Yeah, it ran for 2 days.
Yeah.
That thing right for a fall.
Yeah, that's that boy right there.
Yeah, BBIG is that dude. Yeah, SBT, I kind of don't sign off on this one. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad, but I think it's gonna fall for a second. That's what I say about SBT.
Hey, Bob, what you think of the plays he talking about? Hey, what's up with you, Bob? Where you at? Kid, where y'all at?
And then MPLN. That motherfucker. That one was like.
Hey, you got a Twitter, Donnie? Put your Twitter up.
Is that fight going on still?
I don't know. I was gonna watch it, but we doing this. I doubt it's probably over by now.
Let me see.
Oh no, Twitter. ABCSPC is gonna shoot up real quick tomorrow. Drop back down quickly if it holds to the pattern. Risky to get in now because it's already on the rise. Wait for the next round. Yeah, that's what's up, AB.
Yeah,
that's what's up.
Yep.
Yeah, that sound right. You basically saying you'll be chasing getting in right now.
Mm-hmm.
And motherfucker, you'll get your ass busted chasing.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Definitely don't want to do that. Just started. I'll do play by play.
No Twitter.
I'll do play by play.
Just started. I'll do play by play. So the best one, yeah, BBIG is probably gonna run tomorrow. That bitch probably gone.
Yeah.
That motherfucker gone. That bitch gonna be gone like a motherfucker. So yeah, that bitch gonna do what it do. I don't know.
I don't know on that. Paul, all right though. I really don't know.
I think this is all fixed, man. They probably gonna give it to Jake Paul somehow.
They trying to build him up. Shit,
yeah, they're trying to build him up. This is all phony. So they gonna build up Jake Paul. So I'll say Willie win.
You said Woody gonna win?
No, I mean Jake Paul win. Jake Paul win. Willie just there to get paid. You know what I'm saying? It's probably his biggest payday of his career, believe it or not.
Yeah, I bet you it was a bad.
Yeah, so he gonna take the dive. They tell him to take a dive, that nigga gonna take a dive. That's for sure. And I think they're gonna try to take the dive for Jake Paul. That's what I believe. Okay, you gotta take the fall, but you never know until you get in there. Yeah, I think they took the fall. Shit, and they probably out there put money on themselves to lose. Believe it or not, don't think Willie got people to put money on themselves to lose. Shit, it's the biggest payday of his career. I don't think he ever got paid this much money for a UFC fight.
Well, yeah, he'll do whatever. Shit, it don't even matter.
So I'm gonna say Jake Paul wins this. He's the bigger name. He's the bigger name, and he's the one that brings in the money. So I say Jake Paul.
That shit gotta be over. Let me see.
I don't think so. I was on ESPN. That bitch ain't show nothing.
If it ain't over.
Probably still going on.
Is anybody watching? Is it over yet? Because if it ain't, I'm about to jump off and watch that shit. Is it over?
He said, "Nah, Willie fighting, huh?"
Jake Paul.
Shit, man.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna call this motherfucker a night. We gonna get with y'all tomorrow for sure, and we're gonna talk about all the festivities.
See if tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow end up being good for all the homies, man. They make a whole bunch of money, man, and we can keep it pushing on to next week and come up with some plays to make everybody some money, man.
Yeah, if y'all motherfuckers doing good tomorrow, we're gonna jump on this bitch a little earlier. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about it. All right. So I want y'all boys to stay up. Stay up. We out this bitch.
100.